hello friends, welcome back another video. Today in this video I am going to review Gisou hair oil. You should purchase this product or not. What are the problems you are going to face if you are going to use this product, and it's a legit product or it's a scam product. In this video I am going to provide you all the informations and what are the side effects of using this product and all information related to this product. Okay friends, so friends, let's get started. First of all, we are going to talk about it's a legit website. As you can see on your screen, this is the official website of this product, and the trust score of this website is 100 out of 100. That is very good score, and it's indicate it's a very legit website. And if we talk about the age of website, you can imagine that it's a approx 24-year-old brand, so you don't need to worry about this website. This is a very genuine website and you can purchase any product on this website. It's a very legit website. You don't need to worry about purchasing any product on this website. So now let's talk about it's a legit product or it's a waste of money product. As you can see on your screen, the rating, or you can say the reviews on amazon.com is approx here 638 reviews. All are approx 76% reviews are 5-star rated. That is also indicate it's a very good product or it's a very working product. You can use this product. As you know, this product is used for your hair health growth. It will provide your hair extra shine, or it will increase your hair growth, and lots of benefits if you are going to use this product. Okay friends, so now let's talk about you should purchase this product on this website or you should purchase this product on amazon.com. As you can see on your screen, the cost of this product on amazon.com is approx $46, and the cost of the same product is 40 euros. Okay, so our recommendation is you should purchase this product on amazon.com, because here you can get this product very easily and you can return this product anytime, and every facility provided by Amazon is very good. So our recommendation, don't go with this website or don't purchase this product on website. You should purchase this product on amazon.com. Okay friends, so if you are going to purchase this product, I'm going to provide you link in video description box. You can go buy this link. This will help us, and this is the affiliate link, and this will help our channel. Okay friends, so friends, I'm going to end this video over here. Bye bye, thank you.